determined that two of you are secretly aliens. Please look at your device and confirm your identity.
Guys,
Unfortunately,
I'm an
aliens don't know
alien.
who their compatriots
I'm
are,
also
so
an
you'll
alien.
be at a bit of a disadvantage, human.
Guys, I think it's
By
Nick.
my
I
calculations,
think
you will have...
Oh my god, I was Jesus. Okay.
You're the captain.
I was like, somebody go. Alright. Oh my. Okay. Let's do this
I made
properly.
the whole alien thing up. Just
No, you
kidding.
fucking
We're in big
idiot.
trouble. You have entered the drawing quarters.
Koichi. Oh my god, you chose Koichi.
Draw the prompt on your device.
I think we should hurry them up.
Oh yeah.
Someone else click the button.
If they're taking too long to draw, the hurry up button can help pick up the pace.
Okay.
Upright alligator.
Draw a rock band. And how did the subjects respond?
Yo.
Seem suspicious?
Yo, I don't like that answer. Kinda sus, bro.
Okay, Robert.
Hold up.
Oh, I was supposed to draw.
You're dumb.
Guys, I'm pushing the button. It's him and Nathaniel.
What? What?
Wait, not yet, not yet.
The prompt humans saw was... I'd rather be reincarnated as a cat instead of a dog.
Better than
No.
Even after seeing the
That
Cats
is
movie?
so nah.
That's upsetting.
Robert?
Even after
Robert,
seeing
what
the
the
Cats movie?
What?
You were there when you saw the Cats movie. Would you rather be that horrific monstrosity?
But I'm an actual cat. I'm not going to be a cat person. And before we had Sequoia, we had 3 cats.
Okay, are you gonna be?
That's why your house makes me want to die.
Oh.
Bro, I'm allergic to cats. Your house kills me.
Our first visit to the deliberation deck.
I'm allergic to cats, but even I love it.
Answer the question on your device. Here's the correct prompt. A bad accident forces surgeons to graft your head onto a volunteer body. The volunteer you choose is...
Dwayne the Rock.
Dwayne the Rock. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like that answer.
I don't like that answer either, bro.
He's
He's got big
Dwayne.
hands.
Writing test initiated.
Yo, this is some bad grammar, so I'm gonna just say...
A historical figure I'd like to meet is... Do any of these seem stinky? Old.
I would be able to read the prompt.
I'd say bioscanner, but that takes too long.
Let's do drawing quarters, because it's harder to cheat on that. And who do you guys suspect? I'm starting to suspect Nick. It's
This
probably...
virus
I
alert.
have literally done nothing.
I see you want to draw some more.
I was hacked! I was hacked! I was
was-
told to draw underwear.
What? What?
Nathaniel?
I was told to
Yo,
draw
you could have
underwear.
said those are the... Bro, Nathan, you're really bad at lying.
I'm not lying, I'm saying I was hacked. Because I was.
I guess you're...
Yo, I'm suspecting Nathaniel, not gonna lie.
Throw me out of the fucking hole.
Robert, why'd you
There's less
send me
than 3
Alien
minutes.
Lives Matter?
What?
Robert, why
I agree with Robert though, like, it's hard enough living in this country. Not to mention...
Robert just sent me hack Nick
Racist.
next. Wait, wrong person.
He said wrong person.
Break fast, please.
I think
can't
it's
keep this up.
I think it's Robert and Nathaniel.
Yo, Robert just told me to hack myself next, so I don't know about that one, cheap.
Okay, Robert.
Hey!
Robert.
Robert! I think it's Stephanie and Robert.
Oh, sure.
Enough evidence though.
Yo, I think it's... Oh?
Welcome
On
to the
job?
distraction
Nathan,
room.
I think it's
Since you
Nathan.
are one,
It's
push
not
the
me.
button.
I
It
think
Boom, when you isolate.
I think it's
Since
Ted.
this is our first
I can't
time
see who
here,
It's
is
not
picked.
me. It's actually not me.
Now
Who got
the
picked?
non-isolated
What,
member
me?
shall
Nope,
vote.
not me. It's not me. I'm
Okay,
telling you,
time
you're
to
gonna
vote.
die.
It's not
Robert's
me.
been.
Wait, who is
The
it?
vote has to be
He
voted
seems
on.
kinda
If
sus.
anyone votes no, we'll have to go back to the main camp.
Yo, I'm gonna just vote yes.
Yeah. We can just vote yes because we're both aliens, right? Yeah. Okay.
No. Oh my
Nah.
It was
God.
Ted.
Alien lives.
Bro, Nick texted me before we got our designations to hack Nathaniel.
We can
I
say
called
yes,
it.
we're both aliens, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
we're good.
Guys, we told you we were aliens.
Watch him get
I have
alien.
determined that 2 of you are secretly aliens.
I'm not gonna be alien.
Yeah,
Watch.
this time I'm the alien
I'm
for
a
real.
human. It's Tasneem and Nathaniel.
Your device can tell you if you're a human or an alien, but not the identity
Hard
of your
read.
fellow.
Hard.
It is not.
By my calculations, you will have 15 minutes before I see
Damn,
speed.
Tasneem, you
So
cannot
I'd
lie.
appreciate it if you will be
Alright,
our
let's do
first
this.
captain.
What?
Welcome to the extraction room.
Nick never lies at the beginning of the match. He always says who it is.
It is not.
It's
It's not.
Tasneem.
Now the non-isolated members shall vote.
It is us.
It is us. It is us.
Good job, Jael. Jael.
It is though.
Damn, y'all need to get better at this game.
Yes, you survived.
I was actually excited
You
to play as
have
an
been
alien. You
selected to give
freaking
I have to set like 10 alarms to get up in the morning.
I have to set
Let's
one.
see what they came up with.
I have to set 2.
No, I have to set a bunch of them.
Do any
Really?
of these answers seem
Biggie?
suspicious?
Yeah.
Really?
Yesterday, I actually set up a bunch
Siggy?
of them.
Really?
You guys want a screenshot of my alarms? Here.
No.
Yo, there's one in here that's kind of suggestive, so I'd rather not. Never mind.
That's kind of suggested.
It's called
New
Get the
captain
Meat. I don't.
Selected.
Alright.
Hold up.
Okay, let's get a
Hang
move
on,
on.
hang on
Pick
a
another
second.
room and push through. There's less than 14 minutes. I really like the smell of. Okay,
Flex
what can we
Seal?
work on?
Hmm?
I do like the smell of Flex Seal.
Really?
Hamburger.
I do like the smell of Flex Seal. Look, I got a can of Flex Seal right here. Oh
Okay.
yeah!
I really doubt
Too
that.
much flex glue, man. You just-
I actually do
I
like
really
the can.
doubt that.
I actually do like the smell of Flex Seal.
I'm afraid of robots.
Tasneem got
Hell
hacked.
yeah.
Hard read.
What do you
Slightly
think?
disagree.
What?
I mean, why would I be afraid of robots?
Are you afraid of
Wait,
Bro,
technology?
No. That would mean I would be afraid of my Roomba.
That sounds like a
Yeah,
Tasneem thing to do, given that she wants to be reincarnated as a cat.
Okay, shut up.
But
Analysis is online.
all right, who do we not trust?
You. You.
Choose any other player and you will learn their
We're
true
DMing each other because we
identity.
suspect it's you.
You know,
Nick, you literally DM'd me, just said, you literally DM'd and said, happy.
Yeah, I sent the same thing to Robert.
relocating data. The biosensor.
He's gonna say I'm an
We're
alien.
good.
I made it out of
Bet.
some old microwaves.
Nick is human.
Really?
Wait, how do we know that Jael isn't the alien and he's just
We
an
You
don't.
don't, but you have to take it on good faith. By the way,
Tasneem, that's
Yeah, I
not
think it's,
relative.
I legitimately think it's Nick and
We're on the
Kyle.
clock
That
here,
sounded
people,
really
so let's keep it
suspicious.
going. First visit to the deliberation room.
hacking me is gay.
If you.
Answer the
Oh.
Give us our position, give us your position.
Do any of these answers seem
Huh.
suspicious?
What?
The other choices were
That probably would be-
Tell
Attack, sit
someone.
quietly, or say something.
Honestly,
probably wouldn't
sit
say
quiet.
Yeah,
sit
say
quietly is pretty
No, I
is
think they would
fine.
attack,
Okay,
though. They
hear me
would
out on
attack.
this though.
We-
If an alien can contact us before we contact them, we're already screwed.
No, yeah, I guess.
We're gonna freaking attack them because we're freaking warmongers, and that's what we do.
Yeah, but we don't have
We're on the
spacecraft
clock
yet.
here,
that
people,
can
so
shoot
let's keep
things.
it going. And the prompt for humans was... Draw a Fast and Furious movie.
Okay.
There's gotta be a clue.
Wait a second.
That's.
I got
Kind of
Pretty
sus.
sure I got hacked.
I like the other drawing. I like the other drawing where it looks like
Wait,
radio from.
Robert, what prompt did you get? I want to know.
My prompt was draw Herbie the Love Bug.
What the fuck?
I know.
That's so good. Actually,
And I
I
also like the
I
other
love
drawing.
that prompt. Okay, yeah, I got hacked.
And
I
then,
had a bunch of it on my
Okay.
My question was, what's something you've been meaning to throw out?
Oh my god.
I still think it's Jael, Nick.
Put your shit on my desk. My You know what? I suspect Jael and Nick.
Yeah, so do I.
Well, I suspect it's Nathaniel and Tasneem because they're both accusing us when we're not.
don't ponder
Yeah.
too deeply.
Well, I don't know about
Look,
Jael.
I know Nick is human. You guys can't change my mind.
How do we know you're not lying?
How do we know you're not lying?
Yeah.
Your neighbor accidentally locks themselves out of their house in their underwear.
That's the
and
best
after-
one. It's not a good one, but it's the best one. Wait, what? Chase them away?
Bro, I don't want no underwear hobo, I mean, just standing outside my house.
The other option was tell everyone, so you can kind of agree
Yeah.
with me, right?
Yeah, like Nick's got a point, but like I don't want no greasy hobo
Chase them away.
at my front door.
We're on the
Your
clock.
front door.
Whoa. No.
Hard
No.
no. It's gonna be me
Since
and
you're
Nick.
the one to
No.
push the button.
What are you doing?
Boom, will you isolate?
Yeah,
He's
it's
trying to
gonna
take
be
me
Nick
down
together.
with him.
You guys have to
I'm
vote
not
no.
his partner.
No, it's not Nick. I'm gonna vote
Now
no.
the non-isolated member shall vote. Okay,
That's my
time to
official
vote.
guess.
Nathan, that's pretty sus.
That's my
Testing,
that was my
all
official
agree.
guess. If it's
Okay.
right, then
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if Tasneem's an alien or not, but I know that I am not an alien.
Bruh.
No, you hesitated in saying not an alien, so you were gonna say I know that I am.
Has failed.
They're the aliens.
Not enough
not an
evidence.
We
Now
have
the
a
button
minute
pushes
left.
humans,
Yeah,
and the human prompt was.
bro, if you wouldn't take so long to
My most
say it,
annoying habit is probably.
Oh, bruh.
someone start holding the button.
I sure hope these responses were worth it.
Annoying?
It's both of them. It's both
Button,
of them.
button now, button.
Someone
now!
button.
I
Someone
got it.
Push the button.
I got it, guys. It's fine. Jesus.
Oh,
Let's see if we'll get it right this time. Boom, will you isolate? You only
Oh,
have 30
this is
seconds.
stressful.
look, it's not Robert. I know it's not Robert because he likes to draw a lot.
If it's Jael, that's some damn dedication right there. Jesus Christ. If it's actually
You know
you,
Okay, time to
Possible.
vote.
I'll accept this. This is possible.
You'll accept it? Alright.
Look, I
My
don't.
God.
Nathan,
Also,
No, I think it's Nathaniel. Someone better be on the button as soon as I press no, because I think it's
we're
Nathaniel.
running out of button presses, dude.
it's not me.
you convinced
All
me,
right,
Nathan.
I am pressing no. Someone better press the button right away. And
No,
say
no,
no.
we can't. We can't.
It's literally
We can't.
Nathan.
We have 5 seconds left.
Nathan!
Look, it's
Not me.
Tasneem. Like, I know it's not Robert, but I know we're gonna lose if I press no, so may as well.
The vote passed.
No.
So it's them, right?
Oh,
yeah.
Got him. We
Really?
got him.
Yes.
We got him, R2.
Oh yeah.
no. No.
We got him,
Say
R2.
Dude, if
that.
Jael was the alien, that would be
Why am I
so
always
fucking
the first
funny.
one to say it?
Damn, you'll need to trust me more. If I say I'm not the alien, it's because I'm not the alien. I don't lie.
You will be our first
Nathan,
captain.
why are you suddenly suspecting?
Because you always.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Welcome to the extraction room.
I
Do
think
it.
No,
Do it.
guys, it's
Do
not
it.
me.
Isolate.
It's actually
There's
not
still a
me.
lot
It
of time
is
left.
Tasneem and Aiden.
You got this right.
It
Shall
worked
vote.
last time, it's gonna
Okay,
work another
to
time.
vote. The vote.
Guys, please, seriously, I don't want to be an alien.
Passed.
It was Aiden,
Fucking hell!
Yeah, but
but it was also me. Ha, got him, GG's.
don't know.
The best era to time travel
Yeah.
to would be
Oh,
and
Yo.
Guys, I think I got hacked. They put
No,
that in.
I think.
draw a UFO.
Wow, that's pretty convincing there.
Why are you suspecting
Yo,
me? I drew it
Kinda
instead.
sus, bro.
You drew a cow, not a UFO. What the heck, dude?
wait a minute.
Nathan drew a sombrero. What the heck?
Dude, it's literally a guy in a sombrero. That's what it looks like.
It's not.
That's so racist.
Not what it
He's
is.
racist towards aliens. Alien lives matter.
That is not what it